Okay guys, let's talk Fenty Skin. OMG. So I believe this is like a whole new brand off of Fenty, hence why they have their own separate Instagram page and a new Fenty Skin website which you can order these products from. It's kind of reminding me of Huda Beauty doing Wishful. I've been lucky enough to be sent these products 2.5 to 3 weeks before the launch, so I've been able to give these products a good try. Therefore, I'm able to give you a really good in-depth an honest review. So let's just get straight into it, guys. Let's get straight to the tea. So the Fenty Skin line is just these products so far. There's only 3 products in the range. These are basically core products. These are kind of your essentials, shall we say, that you would need in your skincare routine. So I feel like she started off kind of big to start her new range. I kind of can't help but compare this a little bit to Wishful, which is Huda Beauty skincare range. I won't go on about comparisons too much because they are really different. But just on this one, it's like Wishful was bringing out kind of one product at a time sort of thing, whereas Rihanna's just gone full hog, literally 3 products. It's almost like 6 because they're all a bit 2-in-1, shall we say. So she's gone all in to start with. So as I just mentioned, all of the products are kind of 2-in-1 products. So let me just talk you through all of them. So the first one is called the Total Cleanser, and this is a makeup remover and a face wash. So you could use it straight onto a full makeup face, still using it wet though. It's not one that you would use on dry skin and dry hands. You do have to wet it either way. So yeah, you can use it that way, or you can use it just as your normal face wash. I did test this out and remove my makeup with this product, and this is how it went. Okay, welcome to my bathroom. Right, it says on here, use day and night to remove makeup dirt and impurities, wet skin, work into lather and rinse. Let's see what it comes out like. Ooh. This is what it looks like. It's like a light pink color. And I love this because you can keep it clean. I may have got too much, but it's not bad because I have a lot of makeup on. So just, oh my god guys, it smells amazing. Right, I'm just gonna wet it. Okay, it's actually taking my makeup off quite well. Normally I would use a balm cleanser to start, but this is good. It smells like candy a little bit. Not too sweet. It's actually not like that sweet. With my face halo, it's literally coming off so easily. Oh my god guys, don't watch these scars. I don't know if you're supposed to take it over the eyes. I did, but I probably wouldn't do that again. However, it did take off my wing liner and all my makeup, so not bad. That genuinely took my makeup off in about 2 minutes. Okay, so it does take off your makeup really well, but I personally prefer it as a second cleanse. I would definitely not just use this once while taking my makeup off and then that's it, it's off. I would use it to take my makeup off and then use it again to give myself a second cleanse. But I personally prefer to use this product just as like a normal face wash. The only time I would actually use this as a makeup remover if I was wearing a bit of a lighter makeup look, nothing too full beat. This does have a fragrance in it, and as I mentioned in my kind of demo, it smells kind of like a candy, and in fact all of the products do have the same sort of smell going through them, and it is a really nice fragrance, but there definitely is fragrance in these products. So if you're someone that definitely wants fragrance free, then maybe these aren't for you. But I have to say, I don't think the fragrance is that heavy. It's one that you can notice, but it's not like damn pungent, and it's also not a bad smell either. In terms of the actual consistency of this, it feels really nice and creamy, and once you wet it, it obviously just lathers up into a really nice foam, and it honestly makes your skin feel so clean but without stripping it. I feel like my skin is hydrated after using this and clean. And that's basically what you want when you're using a cleanser or a face wash. You want to feel like your face is clean but not stripped, and this definitely doesn't feel like it does that. So Fenty Skin say that this is oil free and this is also non-comedogenic, which is great, and like I said, it's not really irritated my skin in this time. So some of the ingredients to mention in this are Barbados cherry, and they say that this cherry is packed with more vitamin C than an orange. So wow, yes, bright skin, yes. There's ginkgo biloba. I don't even know how to pronounce that, but it actually helps control oil and clarify skin. There's green tea in here, which is rich in antioxidants. There's some other antioxidants in here, and then there's also quince, which is a rare fruit infused with minerals to help condition your skin. So obviously, please go ahead and feel free to make a decision based on the ingredients like for you. Honestly, the scary thing about doing videos like this is where like I'll be giving my honest opinion about something, like the skincare police or like the real hardcore people will come and just be like, yeah, but it does this, and I'm like, but it doesn't bother me. So yeah, so none of those ingredients actually bother me. Nothing makes me feel like I mentioned, the fragrance, but again, it didn't really bother me. So yeah, all in all, love this. I will continue using this day and night, and like I said, I will definitely use this more as like a second wash after I take my full beat makeup off, but in the morning, literally go straight in with this. Okay, next up, fat water. When I got this, I was literally so confused by this product because it literally is fat water. Like, it's literally thick, like as you can see, but when it comes out, it's still nice and runny, but it's not like as runny as water. So this product is actually a pore refining toner and serum. So again, 2-in-1. So when I first tried this, I first tried it on a cotton pad, and do not try it on a cotton pad. I felt like I wasted so much product on a cotton pad, and it works so much better just in the palms of your hands. And then that way you're also not using or wasting cotton pads. It's actually made to target pores, improve the look of dark spots, brighten, smooth, and fight shine. It's alcohol free and it won't strip the skin or dry you out. And I have to say, it definitely doesn't strip my skin or dry me out. In the time that I've been using it, I've really enjoyed it. It almost reminds me of an essence because it has that hydrating feel to it, and because you do apply it with your hands like you would an essence, it just gives you that feel a little bit more. The only thing that I'm a bit like about is I do like using a toner on a cotton pad because I feel like I can get right in there into my skin just to ensure there's like nothing else sitting in my pores. But where you are applying this with your hands, you don't really get to do that. You're just kind of applying this product onto your skin as you would a serum. And yeah, so that's my only kind of this is where it gets difficult for me doing a 2-in-1 situation, but it's not that bad because the product feels really nice. So some of the ingredients in this product are niacinamide, which is actually one of my favorite ingredients. If you don't know what niacinamide is, it actually helps reduce the look of dark spots, and I always have dark spots, I always have scars. So yeah, something like this is great. It evens your skin tone and it fights excess shine. And where I have an oily T-zone, I feel like actually, oh my God, let me just deep this right now. Where I've actually been using this, I feel like I'm not getting as shiny. Wow, okay. Just realized, it's just dawned on me. Again, the Barbados cherry. And I love that she's used Barbados cherry because she's Bayesian, so you know she's gone back to her roots and it feels a little bit more personal like that, so I like that. So there's Australian lemon myrtle and witch hazel water to help reduce oil and refine pores, Japanese raisin tree to help detoxify, cactus flower to hydrate, and also green tea and fig, which also helps defend against environmental stresses. So I feel like it's a really, really good all-rounder product. I have to say, I still feel like I need to use it maybe for a couple of weeks more consistently. I need to use this like solidly to see a huge difference. but so far I like it. And again, no irritations, nothing's kind of made my skin flare up or made me break out so far. And for me personally, I'm really impressed with the ingredient list. And then finally, we have the Hydro Visor moisturizer and SPF in one. So I really like this because it basically comes like this. You just pop it in the packaging like that, and then you can twist it shut, twist it open, and then when you need to repurchase this, you just pop out the refill, and then you can recycle this and just refill this, which I think is great. Sis is forward thinking with her brand, which is good. It is a SPF 30, so I feel like that's fine for everyday use. So the cream has actually got a pink tint to it, but it works on all skin tones. It actually works really well under makeup, and it doesn't give you any flashbacks. Sinks into your skin so quickly and so easily. It says that it boosts and brightens, making pores, fine lines and wrinkles less visible. So it's made with Kalari melon, which is a wild watermelon that's rich in antioxidants and vitamins that hydrate. Niacinamide again, so really good for evening skin tone, brightening, all of that. Hyaluronic acid and aloe to hydrate and soothe the skin. And then there's an ingredient called baobab to help hydrate. So yeah, I mean, hydration in this moisturizer is great. I feel like the hydration also lasts all day. I've worn this on makeup days, no makeup days, and it's just worked really lovely both ways. Skin is a bit of a personal thing, but all I can say is that me personally, I'm super impressed, and I really love the products. I love the packaging as well. I just think it's so clean, simplistic, and it's just very Fenty, isn't it? If I had to pick a favorite out of these three, I would have to say the cleanser and the moisturizer. Those two, see, I didn't pick one, I had to pick two. Let me know what you think of this range. Let me know if you're going to be purchasing it. What are you going to be buying? Are you buying the whole range or what? So yeah, that is my full in-depth review, my honest opinion. And like I said, skincare is a bit of a personal thing, so it really is up to you. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Sis worked hard to get this up this quick. Oh my God. And also don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more videos. Get me on the gram at Anchal, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you all in my next video. Mwah. Bye.